Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can format your videos or your photos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm just going to select the original format for that. And I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add in a black stock video. If it's not enough, just freeze frame it, delete it, select this, and you're just going to enlarge it. Go to mask and select the rectangle one. I'm just going to then reverse that. And I'm just going to, I guess, like format this. Can I not? What's going on? Okay. There we go. I don't know why I couldn't do that. Then you're just going to enable round corners, and that is it. Super simple. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!